viewers, what's up, subscribers. So, guys, if you're new, welcome to my content. I'm a Jamaican, and welcome to my Jamaican content. He's from Russia, and I'm from Jamaica, so the languages is gonna be different. So, without further ado, guys, let us give Dimash a try. Alright, guys, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. It's not 5 minutes as yet, and I'm impressed by his voice. Whoa. Alright, okay. Fuck. Okay, guys. Damn. Well, this is so peaceful. This is so peaceful, guys. This is so peaceful. This is so enticing to listen, guys. I mean, like, just take a moment. If you are a Dimash fan and if you are a Jamaican person watching my content, take a moment. Feel the vibe. Feel his presence while singing this song. Wow. Damn. Huh? I gotta give this 100% out of 100%. That's my grade for this song. That's my grade for his voice. That's my grade for his performance. That's my grade for his appearance towards the stage, towards the crowd, towards the people. He's so properly dressed. As a guy, I understood everything. Trust me, guys. Damn. Huh? Guys, I'm sorry for my outburst, but right now, you see me? He's good. Remember, guys, I'm a Jamaican, and sorry for my bad accent, but you see me? Well, click. Phenomenal voice. It's just magnificent to sit and feel his voice. It's just magnificent. I'm sorry, but I'm impressed. Wow. Wow. Nice performance. Nice stage band. Nice stage gathering. Wow. I even love the presentation of that stage. It's just peaceful and it's just relaxing to see. Trust me. Amen. Amen, church. Let the contact say amen. Let the subscription say amen. Damn. Look at those fire wings, bro. He sings fire, he can fly and sings fire. Damn. Bro. I need the Dimash fans to comment down in the comment section. Let me know how many voice does this one particular person has. How many voice? Ooh. Dimash! Dimash! Damn, bro. Whoa. 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 Nice one, bro. Nice one. Great delivery, great punchline, great singing. Thank you so much, Dimash, for this one. Stay tuned for more. I'm out.